Hello students, in this video we are going to study some exercises of Taro's reward. We have already explained Taro's reward chapter and we did some question answer also. Now today we are going to study some exercises from that lesson. So let's start. Working with the text. A. Answer the following question. These answers we have already finished. Then come to B. Mark the right item. Here the first number is there. Taro earned very little money because you have to write what was the reason that Taro earned very little money. Three options are given to you. You have to choose any one of them. Then second one, Taro decided to earn extra money. Why did Taro decided to earn some extra money? This is also you have to find out from these three options. Then third number, the neighbor left Taro's hut in a hurry because why the neighbor left from Taro's hut? This is you have to find out from these three options. Second exercise, working with language. A. Strike off the words in the box below that are not suitable. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed this so that he was dash. In this box some words are given. You have to write down that words which are not suitable to these sentences. Suppose one sentence is given there. Taro wanted to give his old parents everything they needed. This shows that he was dash. Because and you have to write out which the words is not suitable this a sentence. Then B. In B exercise, one number. This made Taro sadder than ever. This refers to dash. You have to find out the answer from these three options. Second number. This said the emperor was to encourage all children to honor and obey their parents. You have given there are three options are there. वो ऑप्शंस में से आपको सही आंसर लिखना है. Then C. Arrange the words below in pairs that rhyme. In this box some words are given to you. You have to arrange that words. देखो आपको अरेंज जो वर्ड ऐसे करना है जैसे उसका राइम मैच हो. सपोज एग्जाम्पल्स सम एग्जाम्पल्स आर देयर. यंग सो लंग, मनी सो सनी. This is the way you have to arrange some words also. Then D1, filling the blanks with words from the box. One box is given to you. In that box some words are there. You have to choose that words to fill that blanks. Some blanks are given to you also. You have to use some words which are given in box and then you have to finish that filling the blanks. 2 number D2, find these sentences in the story and filling the blanks. You have to read the story very carefully and then you have to find out some sentences are given and what would be the right answer for this. First number, this made Taro dash than ever. So what should come in this filling the blanks? Second, he decided to work dash than before. So this is the way you will fill all the details, you will fill all the filling the blanks. So student, for today you will do only this homework. When we have next time, in next video we shall do speaking and writing exercises. When we have next video, I will also give the solution of that which the exercise we have done today. Okay. Till then, goodbye.